Have you got Molly's water? What are you going to do? You going to go for a swim? There's water everywhere, Harrison. You've got water everywhere. Oh, Harrison, you tipped all the water out. Now Molly's going to drink it up for you. That's a good trick. Oh, you are such a messy boy.
Look how wet he is.
Oh no.
He's been wanting to do that for 6 months.
Okay. Thank you.
Harrison, have you got your pants now? Hey?